Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge Australian baby clothing haul. Everything that I've purchased is from Best and Less and from Big W. Huge amount of clothes I have, and then everything in here. So everything is for my baby girl. She is 3 months old, so I wanted to purchase a bunch of summer things, autumn things, knit things, just cute things for her to have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know what you think in the comments below. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've purchased, then please just keep on watching. So I'll just go in no particular order. I'm just gonna grab everything and show you, and I won't tell sizes as well because I feel like that's gonna take forever. She is 3 months, so she wears 3 to 6 months. Otherwise I would have purchased it in 0 to 3 months. So that's her size at the moment. So the first piece is this one here. It's just a cute little onesie that says Daddy's Mini, and I noticed they had the same print that goes, the same print in the pants that it does have here. So I purchased that and it looks really cute together. I popped it on her with some pink Converse and loved it. I will try and pop in some photos on the side if I have dressed her in these outfits and I have photos, because let's be real, if you guys follow me on social media, I am forever spamming the shit out of my socials with photos of her. The next little onesie I purchased is this pink one right here. I don't know how to hold these up. Oh, there you go. So it's this gorgeous little light pink checkered onesie. It's got the crossover back and then the little puffy bottom. So cute, you guys, so cute. I can't wait to dress her in this one. The next little onesie I have here is this adorable little yellow one. I love basics like this for the daytime, and this one is super stretchy and it's the cutest color. She looked like a little duck when I popped her in this one. So I got her some Christmas themed things. This is going to be her Christmas Day outfit. It's just a little pudding. Is that not the cutest thing you have ever seen? So yeah, this is going to be her Christmas Day outfit. I'm pretty sure it came with a red bow, but I took it off to pop on another outfit that I was taking a photo of. But yeah, so it does come with a red bow. And then this is another Christmas onesie that I purchased for her. It's just this cute little reindeer one. Sorry, the neckline's all weird. This cute little red and white frilled sleeve onesie. This was so cute, and these are so cheap. I think they're like $4. But that's the only Christmas stuff that I got from Best and Less this time around. I bought her this adorable little purple long one. This was $12, so cheap. And I love stuff like this, but I feel like this is a bit too long for her, so I probably won't be able to dress her in it for a while. But yeah, it's 3 to 6 months. I kind of regret getting this one because I feel like it's too hot for stuff like this at the moment. But I did purchase this little sleeping onesie, and yeah, but it does feel a bit thick, so I probably won't pop it on her anytime soon because we've had really hot weather. But I love the colors of this. Another little purple outfit I got was this adorable onesie as well. I'm just gonna call everything onesie because I actually don't know what they're called. Yeah, and this one's got little sunflowers, and then it's just, look at these cute little pockets on the front. Can you guys see that here? And then it's just got like the little buttons as well. So cute. And then I seem to have bought 2 things in this print. So I just got these comfy little pants in 3 to 6 months, and then this is the same style as the one I just showed you of the little romper. So it's just got the same buttons and then the same pockets here, and I love the print of this. I'll show you guys an up close. So it's just a really nice brown. And then I bought this sleeping sack suit thing. It's just got little butterflies, and then the bottom goes like that. I used to use Love to Dream when she was very small, but it's like too compressed, like it just holds it too tight together, and she doesn't like that. So when it's like nice and loose, she can fall asleep easier. So I did pick this one up in a bigger size so I can pop her into it. And then this I'm so bummed about. I accidentally ordered the wrong size. I bought 000 new baby instead of what size she is now. And look, I'm so sad because she was this size, like she literally was this size, but I can't, I'm gonna cry. She's so big now, and she's only 3 months. Yeah, I'm really sad about this one. I can't return it because it's been ages, but I guess I can just keep it as a memory of how small she used to be. But yeah, I bought this beautiful little one as well. This looks so small, but it's 0 to 3 months, and it's just this little baby doll pink, and she looks so cute in this. I've already popped it on her, sorry. And then I bought this other onesie as well. This one has to be my favorite. So it looks like this. It's the same style as the other light pink one that I showed you before, but it's just a thicker fabric. And then the back crisscross like this, and then it's just got little, looks kind of like shorts. I absolutely love this one. I might get some, like a little white long sleeve to pop under or something like that, if it's a cold day, I guess. But yeah, got this for her. And the funny thing is, I don't even know if she's going to get through all these outfits, because I don't know. I've bought her so much clothes, like I can't deal. The next little romper onesie I got for her is this beautiful floral one, and I'll show you guys the colors up front. It's very cute. And again, this is that same style where it's crisscross in the back, and then it's just got the little undie parts. I bought her this really cute one that I will dress her up in the daytime. Just a little yellow frilly one with some shorts on the bottom, like that. Sorry guys, I had to spend like half an hour trying to fix my camera. The SD card completely shit itself, so don't know what happened there. But as I was saying, this has to be one of my favorite pieces. It must be from a different line. Yeah, so it's from the organic line that Best and Less do, and it's just this adorable little onesie, but it has pears all over it. Is that not so cute? I think it might be for boys, but that's okay. It's quite a neutral color, so I thought it would look really, really cute on her. The last little onesie I got for her, where is she going to be wearing all these onesies? I have no idea. Is this really cute little red and white one. Looks like that. It's just got little brown buttons, the straps, so cute. And then it came with a little white sun hat with little lace on the side here. And the hat is so cute and big for her, but I can't wait to pop her in this adorable little outfit. And I guess I'll just show you guys what I got from Best Big W as well, just because it's an Australian brand. Australian. So I'll start off with this huge pack of bows that we purchased her. She got mistaken for a boy a few times, so I don't know why. She looks exactly like a girl, but she's been getting mistaken for a boy lately, so I just thought maybe we'd buy her some bows to not let people get confused, which is weird because she was literally dressed in head to toe pink. She had a pink blanket, but yet the people at the coffee shop were like, oh, cute boy, and I'm like, no, girl. I think it's because she's bold. Anyways, got her this little set of bows. It just comes with all different, is it gonna focus? Different kinds of bows, little ones, lace one, pink one, green one, whatever. Adorable little bows, and it's from this brand here, and it was $20. $20 for some bows. That's pretty damn expensive. But I realized she doesn't have many shorts and like comfortable little clothes. Everything is like onesies and stuff, so I got her so cute. I got her this cute little floral pair of shorts, and it's got like the nicest colors. So cute. And everything I got was is 6 months as well, and these were $8. And then I got her these little denim looking shorts. These were $10. Oh my god, I love baby clothes, I can't. And then this little striped linen pair. And then the next one I got her was this cute little pink pair. I have shorts like these as well, so I can't wait to match with her. Got those, and then I bought this adorable little set for her. So it's just like a 2-piece. This was $15, and again 6 months. And then it just comes with this t-shirt here, which is like a linen material, and then these are the little shorts. So high-waisted little shorts. So cute. And I find Big W sizing a little bit small, which is why I got everything in 6 months. I'm pretty sure it's 3 to 6 months, but still. And then I just got her some tees to go with the little shorts that I purchased. So got this little lilac one here. This was $8. I got this little yellow one, and then this adorable little floral one. So it's got to a point where I literally just pick up whatever looks comfortable. But if I really want cute pieces, I go to Big W, to Best and Less, because I feel like they have really cute things. But yeah, that was my huge clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But can we just talk about my makeup today? I used all cream products, and wow. Let me know if you guys do want to see a tutorial on this look. I really enjoyed doing my makeup today. I used all brand new products, and I just love it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.